National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Caldwell Parish, northeastern Jackson Parish, southeastern Lincoln Parish, Ouachita Parish, south central Union Parish, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsville by Conville, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monroe, Claiborne, West Monroe, Brownsville by Conville, Brownsville-Buckham, Richwood, Shugrun, Chatham, Uros, Lapine, Caterville, Chenair, Mineral Springs, Luna, Folksville, Calhoun, Drew, Eureka, Vixen and Fundale. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in Shreveport, La. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Lincoln, Ouachita, and Union.
And to house them. And if anything would make that